I've got about, I don't know, a mile from the house and I have come to a standstill. I've got 160 miles to go. I have a big orange kayak on the roof and we're hoping to do a kayak wild camp in Heading 1, 2, 3. I'll use the bigger bag. So you can see from the sunshine on the Scupper Pros, the weather's looking fine. And there's the objective for tomorrow. The one on the right is the Munro, Sgurr Mor, and the one on the left is the Corbett. So you can see the route will drop through them. Murray just retrieving his GoPro from the shore, and it's a fantastic evening, absolutely beautiful. Setting off into Knoydart. It's I think it's what, 10 to 6 in the evening. We're heading off now. Here comes Murray. Fantastic. So it's coffee time. The sun's just gone down over Knoydart over there, and it's just a wee pan from the campsite. See the views right down the loch. parked over there somewhere. And round again. Strange man waving. 1 tent. 2 tents. Night is falling. We've had our tea. We're just going to go for a donder along the beach and see if we can get some pictures of the mountains as the light fades behind them. It's been cracking. We've got a wee burst of sunset there, haven't we?
Lovely, nice red sky.
Yeah, just for about 5 minutes it glowed up, so we'll see how they come out. But yeah, not sure if we'll get any stars tonight, but the weather's actually looking okay. We shall see what happens tomorrow. Time for some photos.
They won't like.
So I might look a bit bleary-eyed. I've just woken up. Got the coffees on back over there where the tents are. Just going for a wee walk. The wind didn't pick up overnight. The clouds moved in, so we'll see how we get on in the tops. But just coming over here to have a look at the loch. But essentially we're heading up over this one. That's the Munro, Sgurr Mor, and then round over to the Corbett, which is under the cloud at the moment. Let's hope that lifts. But the loch at the moment is flat calm. You'll see that in a minute. I hope it stays like that for the paddle back. Certainly wasn't forecast. It was maybe gusty winds up to about 15 to 20 miles an hour, but this is just it's fantastic. Look at this. It's like a mirror. So we're heading up into the quarry between the two hills on this this path, and then we'll be striking up to the right to do Sgurr Mor first, then onto the Corbett, and then probably back down to this call up there. So drop back to the kayaks. Weather's still better than predicted. Wee bit of wind picking up. You might be able to hear that on the microphone because I've lost my sound before. Last trip. Never mind. Anyway, onwards and onwards. fantastic. The weather's closing in, so we're not going to hang around. Get a bit windy, we're going to drop off the call on the second one, so off we go.